Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna see here and what are we gonna make here. You just have to get the sheets, beautifully arrange them in this pattern, and then you need to make this lovely snowman. This is gonna look pretty. Further here, get the crumbs of sheets. You need to tear them up in this pattern in layers, and then you need to paste the crumblings in this manner. You can decorate it further, and here you have to make the lines in this manner and then the dots around. Pretty amazing, isn't it? And your sunflower is absolutely ready to go. Keep on proceeding. Let's see what are we gonna do here. Get the sheet and then you have to roll them up in the splits like this. Just curl them up all the splits and make it look like an octopus, and then get the eyes and the blushes made. On the top of it you need to make the conical hat. Pretty cool. Now here on a sheet like this, fold the sheets in this manner from the corners and all. Get them secured in this way, paste the eyes and then get another sheet. You have to get a straw pasted in between and then just draw it further and make the trunk look like this. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Now here, get the little hearts pasted around the circle and your flower is gonna look pretty cool. Make the expressions as well. Now here you have to paste the cutouts of a circle in a semicircular pattern, and further you just have to roll them up, and here you have to arrange them in patterns like this. Inside you have to paste the sticks and all, and then the dot of a clay. This is gonna look pretty amazing. Now here I also get the crumbs of sheets, arrange them in this pattern, and then with the help of black markers you have to make the trees in this manner. Just decorate it further and make it look like this, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now with the help of the gum you need to attach the little crumbs in this way. Pretty amazing. Now here get a sheet, you need to fold them up in this manner and then cut it in between halfway, and then from the corners you need to get the splits like this. Just rotate it further and make it look like a Christmas tree. This is cool, right? Now here get the shells of a peanut, then you have to color them up and arrange them in patterns like this, and here get a spongy cloth pasted and these flowers are gonna look pretty cool. Now here you have to get straw, arrange them in patterns, get the splits attached, and further you need to attach them together in this way. Further you have to make the bushes like this and your flowers are gonna look pretty amazing. Now here again get the sheets, semicircular sheets, paste them up in this manner and then the dots all over it, and your mushrooms are ready to go. Pretty amazing, right? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna, our next item is. So here you have to get this spongy sheet, you have to just cut them up into the form of a glove like this, paste two of them together in this manner, make it a little thick and then the heart in between. This is gonna look pretty amazing, isn't it? Just tie them up together. Now here get a sheet, cut them up into the form of a shape like this, and you have to just paste them together, the two of them together. Get a beautiful sheet and then again get the cutouts over it, you need to paste it in this way. Cute, right? I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.